Hi everybody, Hunter here with SW Marine in Palo, Iowa. Today we're going to do a video walkthrough tour of the Excel 2172 Catfish Pro. This boat is 21 feet long, 72 inches across the bottom. It's an awesome boat, set up exceptionally well for like the cat fishermen. On the outside of the boat, you'll see that we have this equipped in the optional Marsh Optifade camo paint. And then underneath the trailer, we have it sitting on a Diamond City tandem axle trailer. It's actually equipped with a swing tongue. As you can see, it's got the nice upgrade with the aluminum alloy rims. We actually have the disc brake upgrade on the rear axle, and then it's got the composite bunk upgrade as well. All right, so on the back of the boat here, guys, what you'll find is that we have this powered by a Yamaha 115 VMAX SHO. This is a super high output engine. It's 1.8 liters. Has a great power to weight ratio, and then with the Excel's hull design, we pair that with a manual setback, so it's got a 6-inch setback here. What we find is that a lot of our customers running this boat have been very satisfied with their performance, getting great top end speeds and awesome maneuverability out of the boat as well. All right, so now that we're up inside of the boat here, guys, we'll point out some of the optional features and some of the standard equipment in this boat. One of the first things you'll notice is throughout the entire interior of the boat, it's equipped with a spray-in liner, really heavy duty, like a truck bed type liner. Holds up extremely well, also very easy to clean. Starting in the very back of the boat, you've got a compartment back here that houses all of your batteries. Also has a 3-bank onboard charging system as an optional equipment in this boat. Moving up here, you'll see that this boat has an enormous 66-gallon rear live well. This will house even the biggest of fish here, gives you tons and tons of room for catching some of those big flatheads, and then it's also got dual live well pumps in there to keep that 66 gallons fresh. You can see on the back of the boat, it's got the upgraded centric seat for the fishing seats. We have that in the front and the back of the boat. As you come up into the passenger and driver's position, you'll see it's got this really nice deluxe captain's chair. And both of these fishing positions, the seats actually swivel around to be able to fish out of the back of the boat. We do have this boat equipped with the optional port side rod box. This port side rod box holds 4 rods, tons of storage in there. So as you can see here, guys, you've got an instrument panel here. You've got a speedometer, tachometer, and a fuel gauge. You also have all of your switches at a very accessible, convenient location here. This boat is equipped with interior LED lights. It also has an automatic bilge pump in it. And at the helm, it's actually got Baystar hydraulic steering. It's very easy to maneuver this boat. You'll see over here on the Coast Guard capacity tag, this boat is rated for a maximum of 6 people. As we move away from the console here, the last notable feature is the live well located in the front of the console. This actually doubles as a seat for you as well, but it's a great place to keep your bait or even some panfish. All right, so as we move up into the bow of the boat here, guys, you can see that this boat comes standard with a 48 quart cooler. This straps down and is secured into the boat here. You got a nice step up onto this tall front bow deck here. As you can see, this is a very spacious, huge front casting deck. It actually has 3 seat bases in it, and your fishing seat can fit in any of the locations here. Up in the front bow, you do have a very large lockable storage compartment there. As you can see here, this Excel has the slotted accessory rail in it, and then we have a built-in 30-gallon fuel tank on this boat as well. As you move up into the very nose of the boat, what you'll find is you have an outlet to be able to plug in an LED light that's switched at the console. You also have a trolling motor plug. We do upgrade this boat to have the 6-gauge trolling motor wiring harness, so it can accommodate up to a 112-pound, 36-volt trolling motor if the customer wants to do that. You can also control your bow switch and also your navigation and anchor lights from the front of the boat there as well. So that wraps up our walkthrough of the 2172 Catfish Pro. If you guys have any questions about this model, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number out at the shop is 319-851-3825. My name is Hunter with SW Marine, and thanks for watching.